So, hello dear students, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and in this video we are just going to learn some basic about computer. What is basically a computer? So our first question is, what is a computer? So a computer is an electronic machine that collects information. Basically, it is a kind of machine that collect information. Whatever the user is giving any information by his keyboard, that can be through his mouse or any input device like joystick, scanner, or anything. And it stores it because if you are giving any information, it is going to store it in its drive or whatever ROM, yeah, or RAM. It is going to store it, process it, and according to the user instruction, and then return the result. Like you are coding any thing, like you are just giving a printf command to a computer, or using a javascript, you are going giving console.log the command to the computer and print hello world. So if you are giving it a command, it is just collecting the information. If you are giving anything by a scanf function using if you are using the C language, you are giving as through a scanf %d, and it is going to collect information. It will store it in a form of variable or anything according to the language, and going to process it and according to the user instruction, and then return the result. The whatever will be the process that you are entering or telling, it will perform that action. Another definition of computer: a computer is a programmable electronic device. Because if you are telling that computer is an electronic machine, there are so many electronic machine like fan, AC, cooler, and refrigerator, everything. But a computer is a programmable electronic device. Computer can be programmed, that perform arithmetic and logical operation. You know this arithmetic operation, like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is called a arithmetic operation, like 2 is smaller than 4. This kind of operations are like arithmetic operation. But it can also do logical operation. Suppose you are giving any command in the loop function or anything that can understand the logic. You are telling the computer, if the 2 is smaller than 4, then print 2 is greater than 4. Then it will print this, because you have set a specific logic to that code, and it will work according to that logic and using a set of instruction provided by the user. But here one thing to be noticed, that a computer can't work without any instruction. Suppose a computer is a machine that we are going to tell it that what to do with the information that we are entering. First we have to tell it, then it will process. So it is a programmable electronic device that perform arithmetic and logical operation automatically using a set of instruction provided by the user. Actually, in 90s or in 18th century, when the first computer was starting, that was too much basic. And but slowly and slowly, the person who were just discovering the computer, who were just working on it, they started to realize these machines are not going to do just arithmetic operation. Because when the first computer abacus, we know that this kind of beads were installed in it, and we call it as the abacus. So at that time the people were not knowing that these are going to be at much advanced, that it can now think like a human, that you can see artificial intelligence nowadays. But at that time they were not knowing. But slowly and slowly, when the first programming language like Fortran, and these were the programming languages which came in the third generation of the computer. At that time, when introduction of integrated circuit was in the field, everyone started to realize that these computers are going to be future. These are going to do lots of things in the future, not only arithmetic operation. Abacus was invented by the Chinese around 4,000 years ago. It is a wooden rack with metal rod with bead attached to them. The abacus operator move the beads according to the certain guidelines to complete the arithmetic computation. Actually, computers are used to just at that time people believe that the computers are the things that are going to make our work easy in a systematic way. But if we are talking about the computer as an electronic machine, then you can't compare abacus as a part of a computer, because it's not electronic, and that is not a programmable electronic device. But the modern definition of computer, you can consider this one. So hope you have understood what is computer. In the next video we will discuss about the generation of computer that slowly and slowly developed in this world, and now whatever we computer are we are seeing, how these all things are gradually developed. So we'll discuss in the next video. So hope you will subscribe this channel to stay tuned with this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.